Greetings to everyone watching. I am Khushi Bhargava from class 9E of BGS National Public School, and this is my project for the Raman Awards 2023 Stage 2. This is a smart recycling rotating dustbin which is a very efficient way to segregate waste and keep the planet Earth clean. It uses the concept of capacitive sensing to sense different materials by using a capacitive sensor. This will also help to segregate waste objects properly so that they can be sent for recycling. This demonstrates a very good and efficient use of simple science concepts of electricity and circuits added together with planet conservation emotions to put together a wonderful innovation. So let's get to the working of this project. First, we have a belt over here which has a sensor connected on the top. This sensor is a capacitive sensor. We have 4 pins, each of which are for plastic, metal, paper and any other biological waste. And now we see that this disc will rotate when different types of waste, this plastic glue cap and this metal piece, get sensed by the sensor and are being put into the respective pins. So let's start with plastic. When a plastic waste is put on the belt will automatically rotate and then the plastic waste will be put into its respective bin of plastic. And next, when a metal waste is put on the belt, the sensor will sense the metal and then it will rotate so that the metal can be put into its bin of metal, just like this. Now let me explain a future action plan which I've thought of. So when homes or localities produce waste, they take their waste to this unit, which is spread all across the country on various locations. Now this unit processes or segregates the waste produced and then gives out money or recycle points to the customers according to the waste they've introduced. For example, if they've introduced a waste of aluminium, they get 2 rupees per can, or and then eventually the waste gets piled up in the unit's compartments, and when the compartments are filled to a specific level, the ultrasonic sensor, which will be put on top of each compartment, will send its data determining the level of the waste in each bin to the city-wise server. The AI-based server will then decide when the unit's compartments must be emptied and the waste must be sent to the recycling center. So when this has to happen, the AI server sends a smart robotic truck of this kind to the unit's location to perform the required task and make sure that that's no violation of environment cleanliness. Now this robotic smart truck then takes all the collected waste to the recycling center in the city, and then the produced waste is recycled. This way the planet Earth gets clean and more waste is recycled, so we do not have to use Earth's resources much more violently. So this was my idea of a smart recycling rotator dustbin, which is very efficient in using the simple science concepts of electricity and circuits and environment cleanliness emotions. Thank you and have a good day.